Hello WordPress users! Today, let us build a beautiful pricing table on WordPress, using a table on Google Sheet. It is quite easy actually through our premium plugin GS2WP Table. Firstly, install the GS2WP add-on from Google Workspace Marketplace in your Google Sheet, and log into your GS2WP add-on. Then create a new simple table. Give the pricing table a name and enter the number of columns you want. Now, fill the first row with whatever name, it will appear as a header of the table. For this example, since we are creating a pricing table, we give Starter, Pro and Lifetime. After filling all the data rows of the table, publish the table. Give cells color as per your choice, insert hyperlinks or insert PayPal or Stripe payment button hyperlinks. Now, go to the WordPress site and click GS2WP Table menu and generate shortcode for your pricing table. Copy the shortcode and paste it into the page or post. Once you publish the page or post, your pricing table will come to live. Isn't it great? So, thank you for watching this video. Please watch other videos about the GS2WP Table plugin to see what other use cases are for this amazing plugin. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.